Are you curious about how to make this TPU badge that can help customize on this t-shirt? Our UV printer actually can do the job by simply print on the TPU film and peel off the badge, and then use a heat press machine to actually press it on the clothes very tight. As you can see, the details, it stick on the surface of this t-shirt and won't peel off easily. And the detail of this printed pattern is in high precision, and the color is vivid, and as you can see, it has a clear 3D effect. This is one of the most popular fabric customization solution. And if you are interested in this TPU printing solution, feel free to contact.